This video will show you how to install HFA5300 and how to program it. When we first get this lock, we'd better check it before installation. Install 4 AAA batteries. Connect the data line. Try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Operation failed. It means somebody changed the master code, so we need to reset it. Press the reset button for 6 seconds. Okay, initialized successful. Now let's try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Unlocked.
Okay, it worked. Now let's begin the installation. This is the right hand lock right now. If you want to install it at left hand, we need to change the direction of handle. Okay, now let me show you how to change the direction. There is a screw inside. We need to remove this screw first. Okay, get the handle out. Change it to 180 degrees. Then install it back. Okay, and please note that here is a dot. This triangle must point at the handle direction, and now we need to change this. Okay, remove this screw. Turn it 180 degrees. Now install the back. Okay. Triangle must point at the handle direction. Fix the screw. Okay, it is left hand now. Now let's change the direction of this one. Turn it 180 degrees, install the back. Okay, it is the left hand now. Now let's change the direction of lock body. We have two sides of lock body. The hole center is both 85 mm, but the back side, this one is 45 and this one is 35. Please make sure which one you need. We have two options, and for and we need this one right now. Now let's change the direction of this strike. Remove the screws. Remove the plate. Okay, turn it 180 degrees. Now install it back. Okay, it is left hand right now. Now let's begin the installation. Make holes according to the drilling template. And now install the body. Install spindle. Fix it with this pin. Oh, we forget this. get the screws. Install cylinder. This side must point at the front, point to the front panel. Fix it with this screw. So it won't move. Okay, now fix the panel. Okay, installation finished. Let's try the key. Okay, it worked. Now let's program this lock. We must change the initial master code. Press asterisk key, pound key, enter initial master code. Press pound key. 1. Enroll master. 1. Input a new master code. Press pound key. Enter again. Okay, operation successful. Now the initial master code has been changed to 888. Let's try. Okay, worked. Let's try the previous code. Let's try the initial master code. It doesn't work now. Now let's add some user codes. This lock can add 100 codes and 800 cards. Press asterisk key, pound key, enter master code. Press pound key. 2. Enroll user. Okay, now input a new code. Successful. Enter another code. Successful. The previous code we enter 888 field because this one is already the master code. We cannot use the same code as user code. Okay, we just add two codes. 666 666. It worked. And 777 777. Okay, it worked. The codes must be 6 to 10 digits. Okay, now let's add some card users, and this time I will use a different way. Here is a reset button. This is also a set button. Now let's try how to do this. Press the reset button just once. Okay, now enter master code. Press pound key. 2. Enroll user. Okay, now put the card on keypad. Successful. Successful. Okay, we just added 3 cards. Let's try. Let's try the card. Okay, all worked. Now let's try to delete a user. Press asterisk key, pound key. Enter master code.
Operation successful. 1. Enroll master. 2. Enroll user. 3. Delete
3. Delete user.
Delete single user. 2.
1. Delete a single user.
Unlock information.
Input the code you want to delete.
Successful. Enter unlock.
Okay, the code has been deleted. Let's try the code. It doesn't work now. If you want to delete all the users, press asterisk key, pound key, master code.
Operation successful. 1. Enroll master.
3.
Delete single user.
2. Delete all users.
Successful. 1.
Okay, now all the codes have been deleted as well as the cards. Let's try. It doesn't work now. Okay, all codes have been deleted. Now let's add a new code.
Enter master password. Operation successful. 1. Enroll master. Enter unlock. Successful. Enter successful. Enter successful. Successful. Successful.
Okay, we just add 2 codes and 3 cards.
1. Enroll master. 2. Enroll user. 3. Delete user. 0. System.
Okay, 0 system setting,
Passage mode setting.
passage mode setting.
Enable passage function.
Enable passage function.
Successful. 1.
When enter to passage mode, the lock will keep open.
0. Setting exited.
When we use the card to open the lock, okay, it will always keep open. We do not need to enter code every time. Just need to turn the handle to get in and out. If you want to exit passage mode, just press pound key. Okay. But if you use the code, to open the lock again, it will end to passage mode again. If you want to quit passage mode, we need to set it.
Passage mode is off. Enter master password. Operation successful. 1. Enroll master. 1.
0 system setting, passage mode setting.
Passage function.
2. Disable.
Successful. 1. Enroll setting.
Okay, it quits passage mode now. Okay, it quits passage mode now. Here is another function of this lock called verified mode. Press asterisk key, pound key.
Enter master password. Operation successful. 1. Enroll master. 2.
0 system setting.
Setting. 2.
Verified mode setting.
User.
1 single user, 2 double user, 2.
Operation successful.
Okay, now we need at least 2 codes to open the lock, or 1 card and 1 code. Let's try.
0. System setting exited. Enter a
I just input a code, but it doesn't open. Now let's use another card. Okay, open it now. If you do not want double user,
enter master
you can set it as single user.
1. Enroll 1. Passage mode 1. Single user.
Single user.
Operation
Okay, it is single user now.
1. Enroll master. 2. Enroll user. 1. Passage mode setting. 2. Verify mode setting. 3. Avoid setting.
Voice setting.
Unlock sound turns on. 2. Unlock sound turns off.
Okay, unlock sound turned off. Now let's try code. Okay, it's unlocked, but it doesn't have sound alert. If you want to make the sound back,
Enter master Operation successful. 1. Enrolled 1. Passage mode 1. Unlock sound turns on.
turn on.
Operation successful. 1. Enrolled
Okay,
setting exited.
the sound is back. Unlocked. The sound is back. Here is another function of this lock. We can add some numbers before and after our user codes to open the lock. Let's try. I input many codes before our code, 666, 666, and some numbers after it. Okay, now press pound key. It will also load. This is called user code protection function. Input any digits before your code and after your code, but the total length should be less than 20 digits.